Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to install zip file on Android. If you want to download or install a zip file on an Android device, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So you could either use the built-in Files by Google app, or if you do not have that, you could use the third-party app, or you could use the applications available on Play Store such as ZArchiver. Now here's what you'll need to do it. So go to your destination or go to the page where you have the particular zip file. Now this is the one. You click on the download icon, and after it's completely downloaded, you want to go to the files. As you go to the file section, you want to then go to download, and here you will be able to find the zip file. This is the one. If you tap on the three dot icon, or if you just tap on it, you will then be able to see extract how to zip. So click on extract and it will be extracted, and this is the simpler way to install zip file, or you could consider it as install. Now zip file cannot be installed, or if you have an APK file then it will be installed to your device, but this is only going to extract, so this is the way you could do it. And likewise, if you do not have a built-in feature, then you want to go to your respective Play Store, and on the search box you simply want to type in ZArchiver, and here this is the app. Install it, and this is going to help you out to do the same procedure as I showed you earlier. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.